Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at the latest markdowns from Acme Tools. These are all fresh new prices as of April 30th. So I put together a big list on my website. There will be a link down below if you see anything that you can't live without. It is a pretty comprehensive list, I feel, but is not complete, and we'll talk about that a little bit as we go. And we're not going to go in depth on every single deal listed on the page, but I do want to point out a few things as we go. Keep in mind, Acme Tools has free shipping on orders over $199. So the first thing we have on the list is this Milwaukee hole saw kit. And the thing is, it looks like, as far as I can tell, every hole dozer kit is on sale right now. So I didn't list every single one of them. I just listed one of them. But if you think you're interested, just not this particular one, then shoot over there and take a gander at the other kits, because it looked like they were all on sale. Also, I was trying to find things that had a promotion that went along with the item. So for instance, this Bosch SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme rotary hammer, you also get a free grinder when you buy it at $159. Also, if you click on any of these links, you can see what the price was yesterday. It'll say sale, and it'll give you this price, and then right above that, it'll give yesterday's price. So we can go ahead and click on this one. So you can see the was price that is crossed out. Yesterday this was listed as $199. Today it is $159. And the promotion for the free grinder is still available. So when you add it to your cart, they automatically add the grinder also. Another thing, I only added these two, but the reciprocating saw blades from Milwaukee, I bet there's 30 of them on sale, so there's a bunch of options to choose from if you are in the market for saw blades. Same goes for the Toro. Did I just say Toro lawnmowers. They're all on sale. There's a ton of them on sale. We had a couple of different Milwaukee kits. $99 for that kit with the 2 batteries. $99 for the hacksaw, reciprocating saw. Another hole dozer. Jeez, learn how to speak. A bunch of levels. So this one's Stanley. There was Milwaukee levels that I saw. There might be another one of those farther down this list as we go. But let me know what you guys think of this style of post on the website with these Acme Tools sales, these recent price drops. This is something we should continue doing. The Milwaukee, wow, I am just out of it. Makita, 18 volt, $149 for the 2-pack. There's the Milwaukee levels. So there's a whole bunch of those on sale right now too. You got the Crown Stapler kit for $169. There's a really good DeWALT deal somewhere down here, but I think it's farther away. The hammer bits, a bunch of those are on sale too, all DeWALTs. Here's a neat little kit, but $549. Whew, that's a good one. The grease gun kit with the impact wrench. This combo here went with another promotion, so it's on sale for $6.99 for the 5-tool combo, but also it has the 20% promotion going on. So there's a promotion on Acme Tools, probably other websites, but I'm not sure. If you buy a Milwaukee fuel kit and buy $25 worth of Milwaukee accessories, so like those saw blades we saw, the hole dozers might count. There'll be a little banner on the page if it counts. Anyways, you buy $25 worth of accessories and you get 20% off the combo kit purchase. So at $700, getting 20% off, that's an amazing discount. And this thing was already marked down. We can see what the other price was on it. So you can see this guy was listed at $749. They've dropped $50 off, and we have this promotion of 20%. I don't know if it's my internet or their website being dreadful, but this made making this list exponentially more difficult. Come on. It says waiting. Okay, I don't know. Believe me, it's there. The promotion exists. Have the 2-pack of 6 amp hours at $199, $219 for the starter kit with a 12. Here is the 1/4 inch impact 3-speed, $79. And you can see they previously had that one at $119. Makita, we got a chainsaw, and here you're getting a free blower with the deal. So it's the 5 amp hour kit with the chainsaw for $299. So you see it was $349. We have a $50 price drop, plus you're getting that free blower. Let's see if it works this time. Hey, there we go. Here's your free blower, $99 value. At least that's what they're saying there. So nice little deal if you're in the Makita lineup. Where's my DeWALT deal I was looking for? Here we come with the DeWALTs. Okay, so it's the 12-volt systems. But look at this, we got the cordless screwdriver at $59, and that was just previously $99. So you have almost a 50% price drop on the 1/4 inch cordless screwdriver. And then we also have the 3/8 impact wrench at $79, but we also have the impact wrench with the combo kit for $99. So it'd be really nice to pair that with the $59 Bear tool if you want to get into their lineup of the screwdriver for $59. The impact wrench kit, we've seen other retailers at the same price for this, $149. You got these Milwaukee batteries, the high output, 6 and a 3 2-pack for $149. Makita inflator $169. Nice price here getting the compact 3 amp hour battery and the Bluetooth speaker for $99. So those were the markdowns that I found starting just today at Acme Tools. So let me know what you guys think. This is something we should do in the future. It's a waste of time. Make sure you give the video a like either way because it was a lot of work. This took a long time for a video that you get through in 8 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.